Hi there. I wanted to start out by talking to you about justice. Now, when I talk about justice, the first thing we have to know is what is it? I'll pull back some, go that way. Okay, justice. Now, what that means, I want to remind you, is it means that we're going to be looking at a subjective perspective of justice, which means there is no right or wrong answer. There's probably some that are maybe closer to your idea of what justice is or someone else's idea of what justice is, but that doesn't automatically mean that my definition of justice is in any way better than your definition of justice. So I've got three clips for you to watch. And what I'd like for you to do is just kind of consider the three different perspectives. One is a TED Talks, and it lasts about 10 minutes. The second one is looking at justice from a philosophical perspective, and it was produced by BBC, or the British Broadcasting Corporation. Um, and then the third is just a music video from the Black Eyed Peas. I'm not sure if you're already familiar with them or if they're kind of passe. But I want you to think about which one of those definitions resounds with you? And if none of them do, then think about how would you actually define justice? How do your parents define justice? How do your friends? When you watch things on television, do they also impact how you define the word justice? Okay, let's see what else. The question that I want you to be prepared to discuss when we come to class on next Friday is I want you to consider a time when you were wrongfully accused of something. Um, the idea is that people have come to some conclusion about you, they came to some decision about you. When were they wrong? And how did that feel? What was that experience like for you? We're going to have 2 minutes each to discuss in class. Some may need a little bit more time, some might need a little less. But I'm looking forward to hearing everybody's perspective, and I'll include mine as well. Bye-bye.